now that the rain has stopped.
Slowed down.
Yeah, it's slowed down. It's pretty loud. But anyways, it's another day, and we are working on, yet again, the C10.
Old Krusty.
I don't know, we haven't named it.
We need a name.
We need a name. So if y'all can help us out with a name for the square body, the GMC C1500, if I'm right. I looked it up. I thought they were all C10s.
I've been calling it a C10.
I've been calling it a C10 too, but it's a GMC.
So, what are we doing? What are you doing?
I'm putting interior in.
Are you?
Yeah, I've got a big old pile. Oh, come look. Got a big pile of parts and pieces that have to go into carpet. We got carpet, got door carpet, door panels. But you know what I didn't realize? I've got to take these off and paint them to match the other ones. Anyways, that's what I'm about to do. Get all this interior ready to go in the truck. So hopefully I can get that done. And Russell, what are you going to be doing?
I'm going to get the computer on this side of the truck and clean up all these wires and wire loom everything.
All right, so Josh is the one that put it over here, and you want it on the other side of the truck.
Yeah, just because we got more room for mounting over there, and the hood hinges collapse in that area right there, so I want to make sure we got plenty of clearance. And they all go in the truck on that side. And I got to put wire loom on all the wires and just tidy everything up, and then we can start hooking up the new gauge cluster, waiting on some pieces for our exhaust. I'm nearing the end of my responsibilities. Yeah, it's on you, homie.
I've got a lot of responsibilities, and
I got a lot more.
he does have a lot more because he knows how to do a lot more.
Well, I'd like pretend just to make my way like a Waylon Jennings song.
All right.
Any way I know how.
I'm gonna let you do all this stuff.
Why don't you finish up this engine stuff since I've done the bulk of it, and then I'll work on the interior stuff.
All right, I'm getting back to work on the interior. While Russell does all that stuff. But anyways, y'all come along. We're gonna take you for this ride, and y'all come up with a name for this truck. We need a name.
We need a name.
It was a Dallas County Parks and Rec truck. It's no longer a Dallas County Parks and Rec truck, but come up with a name. Help us name it. Old Whitey.
Old Krusty.
Old Krusty.
Biscuit.
I don't know what his name is. That's up to y'all to decide. Thank y'all. All right, quick update. I forgot to take out these pieces right here. This is a vent on the side underneath the dash, this little piece, and this is a little kick panel on the other side, the driver's side. I'm gonna try to clean these up, and I've got some paint. This is what I got, VHT vinyl dye, and it is a dark blue. Let me show you. It matches pretty good. The only thing I noticed is I've got to spray it light, or it likes to bubble up. So it's just gonna have to be a lot of light coats, but it matches pretty good. I'm gonna try this to make these look new. I'm also gonna paint these right here. I've already sanded them. These are our seatbelt covers. I'm gonna have to cut these out. I don't think they make these reproduction. At least I don't know where I didn't see them on LMC. All right.
We run into problems on this old truck here.
Russell realized
Baja Blast.
is this won't work. So anyways, I'm gonna go over here. Luckily, we've got a couple C10s in the shop and a couple outside the shop. We are going to steal those kick panels out of this brown truck that I've already taken all the interior out of. And we'll take this one right here, and I'm gonna paint them blue. That's what I'm gonna do now. All right, I've got all of these old dusty, crusty pieces. I've got to clean up all this stuff right here. I've got the door handle bezels. I'm gonna clean those up. We've got the door trim, and then we stole the kick panels out of old Brown over there, and we're gonna clean those up and paint them blue. We'll take this gray Scotch-Brite. I'm gonna rough up these panels to get them ready for paint. This is what I'm gonna do now.
What's going on, guys? I'm gonna show you kind of what I'm messing with here. I've got the new door panel for the truck and the old door panel for the truck, and I'm trimming out because these are just raw formed plastic, so they don't have your holes for, ours has manual windows, but this, you could have power windows, whatever. So they have some pre-stamped spots on the new door panel, and then around the door handle needs a little trimming too. I went ahead and did one panel. Didn't all the perforations, the pre-marked things didn't work out perfectly, but it's coming along pretty good. So let me show you what we're working with.
All right, it is about 6:30. Russell's went home. We've been jacking around with the interior. We put in the carpet, kind of test fitted it, put the dash in. It looks awesome. Y'all will get to see that tomorrow. But I've got to stay up here and paint the rest of this interior pieces. I've got to paint these. You know what? I was supposed to paint these earlier, but I'm gonna show you what took me so long. This right here took hours. I don't know, because I had to tape all this little stuff off right here. It was difficult. That's all I gotta say. But I got it done, and now I'm gonna dye this stuff. I showed y'all the paint earlier. I'm gonna get to work, get this painted so I can get home.